Stop buying iPhone 16 Pro Max. Watch iPhone 18 Pro Max revolutionize mobile. Every category wins, unveiling the shocking truth. First, we discuss body. Pro Max is slightly taller, 163.4 meters, and wider, 70.8 meters with IP68, 6nm, and Apple Pay. Both feature titanium grade 5 frames, but titanium is stronger and lighter. iPhone 18 adding weight and downgrading material quality. Now we discuss processor. Both have a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED with 120Hz, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and a generous 2000 nits resolution. However, it's important to note that these displays share some unique scratch-resistant qualities or crystal clear visuals. Now we discuss display. The iPhone 18 Pro Max offers 120Hz refresh, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, with 460 ppi and 2000 nits brightness, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has ceramic shield and MOS 4 protection, sharing nearly identical screens. Now you will compare camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max features a triple camera system with 48 megapixel sensors f1.6 4.0 for incredible zoom and ProRes RAW video. Despite lacking LiDAR, its top-notch telephoto and aperture features still outperform the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now you will compare front camera. iPhone 18 Pro Max offers 18MP ultra-wide f1.9 with 3D SL, ProRes RAW, and Apple Log 2 like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both support 4K 60fps with gyro EIS. The 18 Pro Max excels in resolution and Pro Video tools, but 16 front camera outdated. Now you will compare charging and battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max's 5100 mAh battery offers PD 3.2 rapid charging up to 50% in 20 minutes, with 25W MagSafe wireless and 4.5W reverse wired capabilities. Despite its bulk, it's fast with a wired charger. Requires a specific charger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.